What's up, guys? I want to make this quick video for the weekly market analysis. So my name is Alex, in case you're new here. So to start with, I'll just start by looking at the economic calendar, which will be basically guiding us on what news events are happening during the week. So it's usually very good before you start your analysis to always stay ahead of the fundamentals and know what's happening um, in the news before you trade any particular currency. So looking at Monday is already done. That is the out news are already done. But tomorrow, that is on Tuesday, we have the GBP unemployment rates as well as the PPI. We also have the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, for the USD. Wednesday, we have the employment change for the euro. Then we have a couple of news for that is on Wednesday. We have a couple of news touching on USD. That is including the major news, which is CPI and retail sales. Looking at Thursday, we have some few news for that is unemployment rates, and at the same time we have also USD news, which will be touching on jobless claims and building permits. Then on Friday we end the week with Chinese. Oh, sorry, I don't trade much of any of Chinese currency, so but it's good to also be aware. Then we have also the Euro CPI. So that is all for the fundamentals for the week. As you can see, it's gonna be a very volatile week in terms of trading news and fundamentals. Especially, you need to take care. You need to watch what you're trading on Wednesday, because we have very heavy news. So yeah, so that is it for the fundamentals. Now let's go down to the charts. So to start our analysis, I usually start my analysis with DXY. I've always mentioned this in my live sessions on TikTok as well as my weekly analysis. So looking at the dollar index, nothing has changed much in terms of technicals. I'm still looking to go with the same structure that I've been trading last week. Then once you have a direction of the dollar index, because the dollar index is basically an index that will show you the strength or the weakness of the dollar, then you can be able to also project your analysis on all dollar based currencies or pairs. Now, looking at the dollar index, this is what we were looking at last week. Nothing has changed much. We can see that the market broke this important level. Now we having a retest of this zone, which happened actually late last week. Now, this move now is will be moving down on the. We'll be having a rally down on the dollar index up until level 1 or 3.74. So if you are watching to trade for the any USD currencies, you must be aware of what the dollar index is doing. I don't literally trade the dollar index, but I usually take positions on USD based pairs based on the analysis of the dollar index. So looking at the dollar index now, that is what I'm looking at. We have this consolidation already here. So once this consolidation is done, then we should be seeing the dollar index going down. So the dollar index for now we are bearish. Yeah, and that is it for the dollar index. Nothing much. So we'll be trending the dollar index until these levels. So that is our projection. Now let us look at gold. Um, Gold. Let's look at gold. So gold, actually, I was bearish on gold last week, but which didn't happen. For now, I want to stay away from gold because my technicals are not really working. You can see this position was for last week. I was looking forward to go short because the technicals, that is what I was seeing on the technicals. But most times gold, we actually surprise you because it will do the opposite of what you're expecting. So for gold, as per now, is in kind of indecision zone. So up until we are cleared off from this zone, then that is when I want to trade gold. So for gold, nothing is really coming through for this week, so I will stay away from gold. So if you're looking to trade gold, probably maybe I can give a tip. you can wait for gold on this support zone, either here to go long, or if we break this level, then we're gonna be going short on gold. Break and reset of this structure, then we're gonna be going short on gold. So, but as for me, until we are cleared off this zone, then that is when I'll be interested in gold. For Euro USD, EURUSD actually have a position which I sent on my Telegram group last week. So EURUSD, this is what I'm looking at. Remember, we have already looked at the dollar index, and if we are looking for to sell the rallies on the dollar index, then it means basically we will be buying EURUSD. So now for EURUSD, this is what I'm very bullish on EURUSD. I've already sent this screenshot on the Telegram community. So you should be going along. And actually, right now is actually a very good time to still start your positions for buy. So this is where you place your stop loss. That's your entry zone, and your take profit should be on these levels. That is a long-term trade that should take around 1 week to mature. Now let's look at US 30. Let's look at US 30. So US 30, this was my position for last week, and I sent in the group. So I had this long position going for buys on US 30, and I think I closed my profits on these levels because the market was starting to slow down. So right now we have this consolidation, which is a good actually place to get in for your buys. So we should be seeing USD doing this kind of. So once we break out of this consolidation, then we should be seeing USD going bullish until the next key level, which is 39,904. Let's look at NASDAQ. Which both pairs actually for the US 30 and the NASDAQ, both indices will usually follow one another. When one leads, the other one will take the same position in a few. So for NASDAQ, same scenario. So although not looking so good because I don't like where the lower highs are being broken, then comes back again, but the same kind of consolidation which the market has already broken. So we should be seeing Nasdaq until these levels here. So until that level, that is where we headed for as for Nasdaq. So, but for now, if you want to take a position, then I can advise for US 30. That is, if you're watching this video for today, that is on Monday. Now, let's look at GBPUSD. 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 This was my projection for last week. I was expecting this pair to break this structure, come retest, then go up. Unfortunately, which did not happen. The market decided to pull back onto a deeper zone on these levels. So looking at GBPUSD, I'm still bullish. Probably, what we're looking at right now is kind of a head and shoulder movement on no, not really a head and shoulder, but a kind of a double bottom on GBP USD. So we can take a position, long position for GBP USD up until these levels. So stay cautious. Always make sure to observe your risk management because there is no trade which is 100%. All about trading is all about probabilities. So you may win a trade, you may lose a trade. Just focus on what you can control, which is the risk management bit of it. Now, I think my last pair is gonna be a look at AUDUSD and at the same time look at USDCHF. So AUDUSD, the Aussie. So the Aussie, this is what we were projecting for last week, actually. So I was looking to sell out USD up until these levels. But for now, out USD is kind of in a consolidation zone. As you can see, the market has been in this old structure for quite some time. So the market has been just roaming around this structure 4-hour consolidation zone. So up until AUDUSD is cleared of this zone, then I'll not be interested in it at any given time. So what you can do if the market is in this kind of a consolidation, you can always sell the tops that is on a resistance zone and also buy the bottoms. Otherwise, it's not advisable at all to trade in between these sessions. You always pick the peaks or the bottoms in this kind of a scenario. So AUDUSD, I'll stay away from it. I don't want to look at the market AUDUSD until we're clear of these two key support and resistance zone. Then let's look at USDCHF. USDCHF, I've seen a very nice setup on it. It's not a regular pair on my desk, but I'm interested in it because of the structures that it has in alignment with the dollar index. So USDCHF having cleared these key level in on the 4-hour time frame, as well as this support zone, we had a very the market was kind of getting exhausted on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see like this move was very slow. Some kind of undecisive moves in here until we had this peak, but again we went down. So the market now has broken this key support zone. So what I'm looking forward is we've already retested this key zone. So we should be going down for USDCHF up until this key level. So you'll be looking for sales on USDCHF at least until this level here. So USDCHF, prepare yourself to go short. Actually, right now where the market is a prime area to go short. So if you happen to watch this video, that is on Monday today, or a few hours from now, then you should be going short on USDCHF until the next key level. So if you take your position at this place, then you should have your stop loss above here, and then you take profit here. If you make your entry on at the current price where USDCHF is at the moment. But right now, actually, what I'm seeing on USDCHF is a very bullish candlestick. We can wait for the break of these consolidation, or rather the flag that is forming right now. So because this is what the market does. So once we break this current flag, then we can prepare to go short on USDCHF. So that is it for the weekly market analysis. Those who are in the mentorship group, I hope you're taking these trades. Those who are new into our channel, please make sure to subscribe and comment down below. I will be doing more of these kind of videos so that they can be a great learning resource for you all guys, and that is for free. So I dedicate my time to make sure that you get them on a weekly basis. So nice trading week, and see you on the next one. Cheers.